This is Geeno. He's a lovely boy, a little bit excitable. Lots of energy for a three-legged German Shepherd. He came into Ace with a severely broken leg that unfortunately had to be amputated. The story is he was on a 3-story balcony for whatever reason and jumped off to chase something, resulting in a badly broken leg. He's a good boy, he's just really excitable, so he's hard to get on a lead when you first get him out of his kennel. He just wants to dart around and jump all over you. Once he starts his walk, he's pretty chill, apart from not making his mind up which direction he wants to go in. Geeno! Geeno, Hannah! Good boy. Good boy, Geeno. Does enjoy his walks, and he's very quick for a 3-legged dog. Aren't you, Geeno? What you sniffing at? What you after? Run in, pup. Let's not be out in the heat too long. Good boy. Just a little walk, then we'll give you a shower. Yeah? In a shower. Yeah. Boy. Good boy, Geeno. Ready to head back for a shower already? Yeah? It is quite hot. Yeah? Good boy. Good boy, Geeno.